Time does not wait for anyone, and financial markets are the same, especially cryptocurrencies. Therefore, it is essential to have a reliable, safe, and carefully calibrated strategy. Cryptocurrency never stops like a traditional stock market. Thus, private traders can track the market fluctuations, alter risk, minimize errors, and ensure trading disciplines 24/7, unless you have some help. That is where crypto trading bots play their role. Crypto trading bots are programs designed to automatize cryptocurrency trading on your behalf. Crypto trading bots can quickly automatize the analysis and interpretation of the market statistics. They collect data from the market, interpret it, calculate the market risk, and execute the buying or selling of assets. It is similar to hiring an expert to perform crypto trading for you while you sit and watch the profits grow. Pionex is a crypto exchange focused on automated trading with 16 free built-in trading bots, with over 120 plus supported cryptos and trading fees as low as 0.05% per trade. Both novice and veteran crypto traders can easily get started in this platform. Pionex, located in Singapore with over 100,000 users, was established in 2019, focused on automated trading with 16 free trading bots. It is a registered money services business (MSB), having been granted the license in April 2020. Pionex is the first crypto exchange with trading bots that was granted the US FinCEN MSB license. Pionex keeps its funds on secure exchanges like Binance and ODYSEE, which means that the company benefits from these high-level exchanges security features. It is backed by Gaorong Capital, Chunwei Capital, and Zen Fund for more than $10 million. Setting up an account on Pionex. You can easily set up an account by grabbing the link in the description. There is KYC required immediately, but it is a simple process for level 1 verification involving just your address, email, and phone number. This will allow you to have a daily withdrawal limit of up to $2,000. To reach a withdrawal limit of up to $1 million, you have to finish a level 2 verification by submitting a photo of ID and a selfie. Pionex offers two types of trading on its platform. We have trading bots and manual trading. Manual trading is just like on any normal exchange. You can set a limit order or make a market order. Their trading bot offerings are the main draw of Pionex exchange. Pionex offers 16 different free trading bots for traders. These include grid bots, they have a martingale bot, a spot futures arbitrage bot, rebalancing bot, leverage grid bot, margin grid bot, reverse grid bots, and DCA bot. Pionex runs their bots on major exchanges such as Binance and ODYSEE. As a result, they are one of the biggest market makers for both exchanges and are able to offer low fees to customers. Grid Trading Bot. Pionex Grid Trading Bot is a trading tool that allows people to automatically purchase cheap and sell high in a defined price range. Cryptocurrency trading bots can help to prevent erroneous trading choices induced by human factors in the unpredictable digital asset market. To use the different types of bots here, you just need to go to the trading panel. Make sure you're on the bot part, not on the manual or the swap. Then click create. It will show you the different bots that are being offered within Pionex app. So there's so many bots in here, a total of 16 of them, as I've said in the video. So the grid bot is what now I want to show you how to use. When you click the grid bot, this is what it will show you. You're now able to see the AI strategy. You can also use the customize, where you now put your own parameters in the token that you do want to trade with. For me, I just started using this bot recently, so I do use the AI strategy where the platform do set everything for me, and now I just put the amount I want to invest and create the bot. First off, you do need to deposit money in here. So just go to your account, choose the different token that you want to deposit with. So when you click the deposit part, it will now show you automatically the tether. We have different networks for tether. If at all you've been in the channel for so long or you know about crypto, you do know that we have different networks that you can use when you're doing our transfers. So for tether, I'd recommend you use TRC20 or the BIP20 network. These ones will be cheaper as compared to something like the ERC20. When you go to deposit this tether, you can see that the minimum deposit is only $1. For me, when I deposited, I decided to choose the LTC, which is actually cheap. There are so many tokens supported in here, over 120 plus tokens. So you can choose whatever the token you do want to deposit in here with. Going with LTC that I've said is quite cheaper when you're doing transfers. So once your funds are here, let's say you have transferred something like LTC. I'm trying to assume that you transferred LTC or any other token apart from USDT. If at all you transferred the USDT, you'll just need to come to the bot directly and trade whatever the token you do want to trade with the bots. But in case you transferred any other token apart from USDT or BUSD, then you'll now need to swap those tokens into the USDT, which is pegged to the dollar value. So you need to go to the manual trading and search here the token that you want to swap. So you can see this one, the interface just looks like any other normal exchange where we do our buying, selling. We also have the market orders and do the limit order. Either do the market or the limit orders. Then swap your tokens from LTC. If at all it's LTC, now you'll need to be in the sell part to sell those LTC to the USDT token. You can do max or whatever the percentage that you want. If you do with the limit order, you can now choose current price or enter manually the price that you do want the limit order to be fixed at. Another way that you can do the trading here, you can now swap the token that you've transferred from Binance or whatever the crypto exchange that you have used. So if at all it's LTC, just search it LTC here. Once you start the LTC, then make sure you are swapping the LTC to the USDT token. Here now is where you come to the bot. Now you just click create and choose the grid bot. And now voila, you can now start choosing whatever the crypto token you want to run your bots on. So let's say you go with the BTC. I have mine already set as favorite. So you can see I've set different types of tokens here as favorites because I've tried to do a market research on these tokens, the ones that I can actually open bots on. So going with BTC, you have 7 days, there's 30 days and also 180 days. I'd prefer to do trading for 30 days because the opening 7 days chart will mean that it will be closed as soon as possible. The fees will eat too much profit from you when you do too much trading. The backtest for 7 days show that there's a 70.15% APY for 7 days, and then 30 days will give you a 126.7% APY, and 180 days give a 13% APY. So I think going with 30 days will be wiser. So here we have something like the grid profit, the maximum drawdown that can actually happen when you open this bot. They also show you the volatility, then the price range of this bot. When those grids are set in the market, there's the lower grid and the uppermost grid. So the uppermost grid will be $25,549. That is the dollar value for the BTC. And then the lowest grid will be 20,930 USDT value for the BTC. In within that range, there will be more grids that will be set. So you can see under the profit per grid or under fee deducted in bracket, you can see each grid will be giving average of 0.47% to 0.59%. And the total grids are 33 of them. The market will be buying on those lower grids and selling on the upper grids. The minimum amount you need to put here for the 30 days is 4.81 USDT. So that's quite cheap. When I try to compare this Pionex grid bot on BTC with any other grid bots in the markets for something like KuCoin, Binance, Huobi or Bybit. So once you put the amount, now you can go and create the bot and just confirm it. The same way that I've shown with the Bitcoin grid trading is the same way that you'd actually use with any other crypto token that you want to take advantage of in Pionex. So this is CRV USDT pair. And now you see this one, the minimum amount that you can actually trade with is quite low. It's very cheap, 1.229 USDT. Just click the create button. It will now bring the parameters confirmation. It will show you the allocations for the CRV, the USDT, 56% and other data that you'll need here. Then just confirm. Once confirmed, the grid bot will start running and it will now start buying those tokens lower and selling higher in the market. So I have a number of bots that I created here. I have near USDT grid bot. It's been running for the last 5 days, as you can see here. So within 5 days, I've only had a drawdown of 4.83% and a total of 145 transactions created within 5 days. So guys, this is so massive. This total amount of trades, you can't actually take them manually. So you see with this bot, it's actually low risk with 145 trades opened having only a 4.83% drawdown, I'm okay with that one. If I were doing it manually, I actually wouldn't be able to keep my risk this minimal. I have another bot here which is on the negative, total of 109 transactions created already. This is Ape USDT pair, a drawdown of 4.39%, which is still okay with me. I'll just leave it run because the market is going down. But now as the market goes down, the bot keeps buying more tokens for me. So when the price starts going up, it will now start selling those tokens. So this CRV which I created, this one has also lasted 5 days. You can see I have a profit of 1.66%, total of 145 trades. Trying to use a bot is actually wise because you don't have to be there to watch the markets each and every time. The bot just does it work, just do the setting and leave it run. SHIB is also here, only a drawdown of 0.01%, 126 transactions so far within 8 days. So with 8 days, 126 trades. I don't know if you can do it manually. If you are some kind of bot, then okay, I believe in you. Go do it, Samuel, you are a genius. Another one here is BTC USDT, 9 days so far. Here we have a total of 2.2% profit and 61 trades so far. So guys, you can see this bot, actually the risk is low and the minimum amount of token that you need, the USDT value you need is actually low when you try to compare with any other bots within the crypto bot trading industry. Let me know in the comment section below that you're going to try it out. Also remember to sign up with our link to get started with this bot. Another important bot is the spot futures arbitrage bot. Covering it in this video would make it quite a long of a video. So in case you want to learn about taking advantage of this bot, then type in the comment section arbitrage bot. Pionex Pros. The site has a total of 16 trading bots, all for free. Spot fees are at Maker 0.05% and Taker 0.05%. Leverage tokens are at Maker 0.1% and Taker 0.1%. Withdrawal fees depend on crypto and network used. Some networks are as cheap as $0.15 to get your funds off the exchange. Pionex supports both Android and iOS mobile apps which have intuitive interfaces. The platform supports more than 120 crypto tokens. Traders can easily diversify their portfolios without worry. Crypto traders can perform leverage trading, copy trading, manual trading, and futures with the spot future arbitrage bot and grid bot. Pionex enjoys innovative and excellent liquidity engines integrated with top crypto exchanges like Binance and Huobi. Customer support at Pionex is excellent. They provide live chat, email, FAQs, and social community support. Pionex Con. The only con I have noted so far with this platform is that it doesn't provide a demo account where a trader can try out their features with sham money before committing their hard-earned cash into the live markets. Pionex has been around for 4 years but has already made a great name. It has been considered the top cryptocurrency trading bot and provides quality trading amenities continuously. Spot futures arbitrage trading is a low-risk, high-reward opportunity that Pionex offers, and many traders will appreciate this strategy. Crypto arbitrage is clearly a hot topic in the crypto market, and it should linger in your mind whenever thinking crypto. Watch this video where I show you the different types of crypto arbitrage strategies and also walk you through ways to spot them in the crypto industry.
Peace.